BLM land. Plans fell through. The person I was with just was not into doing the Lake Mead thing. We had a difference of opinion there. So we ended up at the Westin down the street. So we're gonna have to do paid camping with our differences. I'm gonna try and do some BLM land. It's what this trip was about. So, because even though these places are lovely, lovely, they're lovely expensive. Nice soft bed. I love the bed. It's the best bed I've slept in this whole trip, but and it's beautiful, and the sauna was nice. Excuse me, I always call it a sauna, the hot tub. So we'll see you in a bit down the road. The lifeguard's getting all ready for the job for the day. It's too cool for everyone to go swimming yet. But it's pretty. It's a pretty view out over that way. We're saying goodbye to Lake Las Vegas. It's been a very comfortable stay at the Westin. Very nice, very beautiful. I could spend some time here, I tell you, and some money. But it's time to go. Off to Hoover Dam. See you in a bit down the road. Even though I'm not getting to boondock as much as I want. I'm really not seeing this. See that? There's a boondocker there, and then there's a boondocker over there. In Henderson, at the Walmart. At the wonderful, wonderful Henderson Walmart in Nevada. So, there are some people getting to do it. Just get out and do it. See you in a little bit.